these next two steps I'm going to tie together. Know your results, show me the money. So they're both going, I've created a document that I'm going to put a link down below. If you can't download it for any reason, let me know. But it simply does this. I want you to sit down with whoever is involved in the decision-making process and figure out what you're looking for in the home. What are your must-haves? What will you not sacrifice on? Things such as, well, we have to have 3 bedrooms. We have to have 2 baths. We have to live on this side of town. I need a fence for my dog. All those items, go ahead and put down. Now, if there's things like, okay, I have to have granite instead of solid surface countertops, those should probably be more preferences because they can be changed. But you can't change a busy road in the back of your yard. You can't change the master being from the top floor down to the main very easily. So we want to look at the things that we cannot change, and let's not compromise on them. Then the next step is the show me the money piece. This is the piece most people have a little more hesitancy on, but knowing it up front will just allow us to drill that home for you quickly. And what that is we got to figure out the loan type you're looking for. The typical standards are USDA, VA, conventional, FHA. And your loan officer will explain all those to you, which ones qualify, which ones don't. There are some different programs out there, but we have to see if you qualify them on an individual basis. Then the next thing is we need to know what the down payment is for that type of loan. So once you know the down payment, we know that you have the amount saved up. Then we want to figure out what price range do we look at based on your desired budget. So if you're looking for $1,000 a month, I want to know what price range that equals. I don't want to take you above that price range. My job is to find you the best house that doesn't overstretch you and it creates the best quality of life for you and your family. So down payment, type of loan. Then later we're going to get the closing costs so we can ask the seller to pay it on your behalf. And we're also going to ask for what's called prepaids. Prepaids are you paying your insurance and taxes ahead of time, so when they're due, that the mortgage company can pay them on your behalf. So once you get all that information on one sheet, I can really start hunting down the right houses. You can too. If we use that formula, we're not going to disappoint you because we're going to find the houses that fit your needs. And I'll go into more about this later in a little advanced topic on if we can't find any. But right now we'll go to the next step. But again, this is much more important. You can use this document for after you find the right house, verify it against it. Kind of do that old when we were in school. Okay, you did the question one way, now go backwards to verify it. When we find the right house, you're ready to make an offer, pull out that sheet, make certain it hits all the criteria. That's going to give you peace of mind. Thank you.